I approached this summer knowing that I wanted to be, above all else, busy. In the past, I've gotten the chance to work at some pretty cool companies, but I've rarely felt needed as an intern. So after some thinking, I decided the best place for me to get high responsibility as a designer would be at the smallest startup I could find. I was fortunate to land a job as a product intern at a startup of just 7 employees. It's called Hi Hello, and it builds digital tools to help people curate and grow their professional networks. On my very first day, I realized that this internship would be nothing like the ones I'd had before. Every day following, I went into work with tasks filling my to-do list. In my 14 weeks as an intern, I got to play a significant role on a bunch of awesome projects. I spearheaded a 2-month-long redesign of the app interface and user experience. I helped redo the website. I helped run a bold new strategic marketing campaign. I personally wrote and produced a fleet of videos that now comprise the company's go-to messaging. In the end, I left with a 14 gigabyte Dropbox folder of my work. And in the days since finishing, I've realized I simply can't fit it all in my portfolio. And that's an incredible feeling. Thinking back, this summer taught me a lot of important lessons about myself and about my preferences as a working adult. I, of course, learned a ton about design, especially about designing things that engineers are actually going to build, which makes it a lot trickier. I learned that a daily 3-hour commute eliminates some of the great intangibles of life after school, including free time for exploring new hobbies and developing relationships with new people. I learned that the startup life is without a doubt the life for me, but that 7 people is a little too small. I want the accountability of a startup, but the energy and the fun of a bigger team. But most importantly, my summer helped me paint a vivid picture of what I want to do after school. I'm now very, very confident that a UI UX role at a growing startup in a big city is where I'll find the most success and the most happiness after school. And that lesson is priceless.